This is Greg Flores, founder of Soul Solutions. Wanted to talk to you about some of the ancillary benefits of changing out your windows. Obviously, color and design and configuration, those are the easy points that you can do as a window professional, but you can also dig a little deeper and address sound. How we do that is we utilize offset glass packages. And what do you mean by that? Well, in an insulated glass unit, there's two pieces of glass, the outside and the inside. And if we order the windows with double strength glass on the outside and single strength glass on the inside, that creates a different density on the outside and the inside, and thus filtering out different frequencies of sound and subsequently quieting down the insulated glass unit and making your house more peaceful. If you have any questions about this, please give us a call at 469-708-8151. This